Are you ready to discover how the world's largest watermelon is grown? Farmers plant these specially selected seeds, which will provide the highest yield, with great care. In the first step, necessary care is taken to ensure that these seeds sprout under the best conditions. Chinese farmers are perfecting this process with their generations of experience. When the harvest time comes, farmers collect these huge watermelons with great excitement. Pineapple production is literally an art. It all starts in hot and humid climates and fertile soil. The pineapple plant requires great care and attention from the moment it is first planted. When harvest time comes, the fields are filled with golden pineapples. These magnificent fruits are carefully cut, collected, and on their way to our tables. Harvesting the pineapple is the sweetest fruit of a labor-filled process. After being collected, the pineapples are quickly packaged and sent to all over the world. Each pineapple reaches us preserving its freshness and taste. The production process of this fruit reveals the miracles of nature. The collected papayas are quickly transported to the factory. Here, the fruits are carefully selected, washed, and packaged. Each papaya is processed in a way that preserves its freshness and taste. At the factory, papayas are washed and sliced with high-tech machines. Papayas, processed under hygienic conditions, are packaged in the best quality and freshness and made ready to be sent all over the world. Bananas are grown in tropical climates, on abundant sun and moist soil. The collected bananas are carefully loaded onto trucks and transported to the factory. Here, they are prepared for the next stage, classification and packaging. In the factory, bananas are first washed and then classified according to their size and quality. The process ensures that the bananas meet market standards. Finally, the bananas are packaged and placed in refrigerated warehouses. In this way, it maintains its freshness and is ready to be sent to markets around the world. This video shows how apples get from the branches to the table. When it's harvest time, the apples are picked by hand. This process is critical to preserve the natural freshness and integrity of the fruit. Selected apples are carefully placed in boxes and then shipped to processing facilities. In these facilities, apples are prepared for the next stages. In the facilities, apples are first washed and then classified according to their size and quality. This stage determines the quality and market value of each apple. The production process of this delicious fruit reveals the miracles of the soil and the labor of the farmers. When harvest time comes, melon fields are overflowing with golden yellow and green fruits. These magnificent fruits are carefully collected and set out to come to our tables. The collected melons are quickly transported to the factory. Here, fruits are carefully selected, washed, and packaged. Each melon is processed in a way that preserves its freshness and flavor. At the factory, melons are washed and sliced with high-tech machines. We will discover how pumpkins grow quickly and surprisingly. When it's time to harvest, automatic harvesters come into play. These machines collect pumpkins quickly and effectively, increasing efficiency and saving labor. As a result, technology plays an important role in pumpkins' journey from seed to table. In this way, each zucchini becomes both healthier and tastier. Here are the pomegranate gardens. Pomegranates are harvested as they ripen, and this process requires a lot of attention. Due to the delicate structure of pomegranates, the fruits are picked by hand and carefully placed in crates. The modern equipment used at this stage makes the work of the workers easier and ensures that the harvesting process is completed quickly. For example, automatic picking machines and conveyor systems carrying pomegranate crates reduce labor and increase efficiency. The collected pomegranates are transported to processing facilities. Here, the fruits are carefully washed and sorted. Now let's transport our grapefruits to the factory. The first process waiting for us here is to wash the fruits meticulously. But this is no ordinary wash. Using high-pressure water jets and rotating brushes, all dirt and bacteria on the surface of the grapefruits are cleaned. In this way, grapefruits that are both hygienic and eye-catchingly bright are obtained. Then the most exciting part of the processing line begins: sorting and sorting. Advanced optical scanners and artificial intelligence-powered systems instantly analyze the size, color, and quality of grapefruits. First, before starting the process, let's see how the freshly picked dragon fruits from the fields reach the factory. Trucks full of dragon fruits are carefully unloaded when they arrive at the factory. At this point, each fruit is carefully checked and quality ones are selected. The washed fruits are sliced precisely. These slicers are so fast and sharp that they cut each fruit perfectly. As you can see, the sliced dragon fruits go to the next stage in the factory. Durian fruits are carefully picked when they are ripe and carefully transported to the factory. This is where a fascinating journey begins. The selected durians are sent to the washing line. Here, the fruits are cleaned of all dirt and prepared for processing. Thanks to modern washing machines, this process is completed quickly and effectively. The washed durians move on to the cutting and peeling stage. Automatic machines slice durians perfectly, revealing their insides. This stage is very important to remove the most delicious part of the fruit. Collected coconuts are separated from their thick outer shells. This process is usually done manually and requires a lot of labor. Selected coconuts are separated from their thick outer shells. This process is done using special machines. The machines can cut coconuts and peel their outer shells quickly. The white meat inside the cracked coconuts is removed with special scraping machines. These machines remove the inner meat of the coconut quickly and efficiently. Tomatoes, grown carefully by farmers, are collected when they ripen. The collected tomatoes are quickly transported to the factory. The tomatoes arriving at the factory are meticulously washed and removed from foreign substances. The processed tomatoes are cooked at certain temperatures and then filled into sterilized containers. The packaging process is extremely important to maintain the freshness and quality of the products.